Hello, dear students. Today we came to elaborate more conveniently the polynomials. Yesterday we have in the previous class of period 1 we have elaborated and defined the polynomials and their types as per their terms. Today we will elaborate this on the basis of their degrees. And one thing is that what is standard form of the polynomial? पॉलिनोमियल्स को हम दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं नॉर्मली. एक इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ पावर्स, हमने यहाँ पे दो पॉलिनोमियल्स लिखा है सेकंड डिग्री का. एक को आप देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पे x पर पावर 2 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 0 है, और यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे x पर पावर 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 है. वी कैन राइट द पॉलिनोमियल्स in increasing order of powers of the variables or decreasing order of powers of the variable. These two types are actually called as the standard form of the polynomial. बस इतनी ही बात है. अगर ये disorder रहेगा तो वो standard form नहीं माना जाएगा. On the basis of degrees, we can subdivide polynomials as linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials, and biquadratic polynomials. Here we have given linear polynomial have always degree 1. Yani any polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. We can have example 2x. It's a monomial of degree 1. It's a binomial of degree 1. Here linear polynomial can be monomial as well binomial, and the quadratic polynomial may have degree 2. The degree of the quadratic polynomial is always 2. Or we can say any polynomial of degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. It may have three forms. It may be monomial, it may be binomial, it may be trinomial. And cubic polynomial, in the same consequence, we can define this as the polynomials having degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. Here it can be of monomial type, it may be of binomial type, it may be of trinomial, and it may be of multinomials. Again, the next form is biquadratic polynomial. Any polynomial of degree 4 is known as biquadratic polynomial. Here the example is given to you. You can write this. Now, afterward, we'll solve some problems. Okay. Here we have some problems. Which of the out of these 10 questions, which of the following algebraic एक्सप्रेशंस आर पॉलिनोमियल्स? आपको सिर्फ इतना निकालना है कि इनमें से पॉलिनोमियल्स कौन है और कौन नहीं है. वी शैल हैव टू डिस्कस सम वन. अगर हमें एक नंबर को देखें तो दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स माइनस 1, दैट इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. यहां पर देखिए आपके डिग्री इस x का, इस पॉलिनोमियल का डिग्री 3 है. तो और ये इसकी जो डिग्री है ये पॉजिटिव है, और तो ये पॉलिनोमियल होगा. अब डिग्री अगर एज फॉर एग्जांपल आप अगर नंबर 3 को ले रहे हो तो x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, वी कैन रीराइट दिस एज x to the power minus 1 plus x to the power minus 2. That means here the degree of this polynomial, this given polynomial, is minus 2. We have studied in period 1 that degree can never be a negative number. Degrees must be an algebraic expression, will be a polynomial only and if the powers are or the degrees are non-negative numbers. Then afterwards, solving these 10 questions, you can also write down the degrees of the polynomial found above. यहाँ पे जो अगर polynomial आप निकाल ले हो तो इनमें से कुछ polynomials हैं, कुछ नहीं हैं, तो जो polynomials हैं उनके आप डिग्री निकाल लिए. मैंने बता दिया कि ये polynomial है तो ये डिग्री 3 का है. क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू.